One of the things I've emphasized before in class is that Greek spelling follows pronunciation. And this is a brief lesson to introduce you to the idea of elision, which really emphasizes this fact of spelling following pronunciation. Elision is when a word ends in a short vowel, right? So we've got like short alpha or omicron, and is followed by a word that begins with a vowel. Right? So you've got a word ending in a vowel, a word starting with a vowel. The final vowel, the alphabet, that short vowel, can be chopped off, and its absence is marked by an apostrophe. So orthographically, if you see a word that ends with what looks like a breathing mark, you're going to say, oh, a letter is missing. So let's look at some examples. Ho danthropos. All right, so we had what we see the de, we see an apostrophe. That apostrophe signals, something's missing. It's a short vowel. We could probably add an epsilon and iota there too. Well, what's missing? So, well, what word begins with delta and has a short vowel? Da, do, de. Yeah, de. So what this is really saying is ho de anthropos. Only Greeks would say ho danthropos. So just like contraction in English, elision happens in Greek. So ho danthropos. So when you see this apostrophe, ask yourself what vowel is missing. Another example, alhoi despotai. We have our apostrophe, which says something's missing. Well, which of these vowels? Allah. Yeah. Allah. But the masters. Allah hoi despotai, but Greeks would say al hoi despotai. Let's add one little glitch to this. When a newly elided word, so kat for example, so that was originally kata, right, we say apostrophe, what's missing? Kata is a good one. Ends in a tau or pi. We've got that. And the next word has an aspirated vowel, like ho. So we've got a elided tau, or a word that ends in a tau once it's elided. That tau becomes theta, and the pi becomes phi. And this is because tau, or theta, is an aspirated tau. Phi is an aspirated pi. So it's again pronunciation. So aphodon, okay, we've got an apostrophe. So a letter's missing. What could it possibly be? Do we have, wait, another thing. The next word begins with a rough breathing, an aspiration. See the phi there? So we say, okay, well that must have originally been pi. And now we have apatno, apo, so from the roads. Apohodon becomes aphodon. And in the he thoros, apostrophe, we've got a theta, which means that was originally a tau. And then, okay, ta, could be ta, but that doesn't make any sense, the article. Te, the enclitic and. He thoros, and the road. So that's the process of dealing with elision. So when you see this apostrophe, ask yourself what vowel is missing. And if you see that apostrophe before a theta or a phi, know that that must have originally been a tau or a pi.